ahead and doing condensed glue gels. One more layer. Of this. All right, and now I'm gonna do a no white top coat, and I'm gonna place my beautiful, I move this one. All right, so see if I can get my, and of course gonna do a no wipe top coat on the top, and then we're gonna put the centerpiece there, and we can place with a lot of different crystals there. And I like that in the back is perfect curve and nice, so it stay nice and curve with your C-curve fingernails. It's kind of heavy though. Oop. Oh, it's good that it's turning that way because you can see that from the back. All right. Stay in right there. You can do right in the middles, or you can do right in the center. It's however you would like. I think let me do it right in the center. Great. Oh, nope, you don't need to, because I'm gonna lock it with two different shape. Sorry if I just move a little bit down. There you go. Great, and then you can place your other crystals on this. Around with your hold on, let me put it down, see how it's at. I can see that. And I place, all right. Great.
Could you reuse the middle one, that turnaround?
I'm gonna move just a second. You know, it's great questions, Nuna. I don't know if you can't. You probably, but then if the client's wearing it for a few days, few weeks, and if you remove it, you probably, but usually I don't. Just that my personal preference, because the clients would love to get the brand new ones, you know, so. Well, if the clients wants it, if after you remove them, just give it to them. But you're not gonna reuse it. Just the reason it is because they probably want to get the brand new ones, the brand new looks, I guess. And you don't want them to feel like they're wearing the old jewelry, the crystals on their nails. So they always like with the sparkles, and because it's probably gonna still last But then the clients have a feeling because when they're doing a lot of normal activities daily, they probably might scratch it a lot, so, or damage it from somehow, some way, some reasons, from cleanings or doing a lot of like things at home that could make that happen. So I usually give it to clients. They like it. I just give it to them, so then they can take it home. But I don't reuse them. Just my personal experience. I hope it helped for the answer the questions. But if you feel like you can't, but I would think, you know, if you are charge the service of a clients for that price, I want them to have the fresh ones when they go home. But a lot of people said they don't like, because I don't. But the clients like it so much. Like even the pom-poms, my clients that come in, the pom-pom, she didn't take it with her. Well, she said, oh, I left it at home, Nancy, but then here you go. You can have, I can took the base off and then give it to her so she can keep it, whatever she want to do it, but we're definitely not going to use it again. We're going to using new ones for her new set, so then it stay nice and fresh. So, okay, I'm going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Sorry, Instagram. We're gonna be right back with Instagram. In the meantime, Facebook, enjoy it. I'm adjusting it. I'm getting closer now because I couldn't see it closer earlier. And I'm gonna adjusting it before I'm flash cure this. Before I'm curing this. So let me see. I'm gonna do this one and finish it, and then we're gonna cure, and we're back with Instagram in just a second. You lost it?
Yeah, just copy the description in.
What happened?
Try to copy the description in, it's gone.
Next time you shouldn't.
Yeah, just type whatever.
Just leave it alone there. Just type it in, and you can always adjusting it later for that.
Can you?
Yeah, you can go back and edit it, but do not do anything because you're gonna lose it. Okay, so now I'm gonna cure it. Hello, thank you so much for tuning back in. Hi, Sarah. Thanks so much for tuning back. I'm going to cure this cute nails. I just hang in here and waiting for everyone to come back, literally. It's okay, you listen next time you learn it. Don't type in any of this, gonna lose it. Alright, so cure this nails. Have to be careful because it looks like it's crooked. Or just me. Alright, this is really tricky. Really tricky nails. Alright, just be careful because it's really heavy. Don't want to, Yep, I see it. So when you do this one designs, when you do this designs, you make sure your clients like keep the hands straight. When she's place her nails on the LED lights, she's not gonna like talk with her hands or place the other hands, and this hand will be try to reach your LED light, because if it she just tilts her finger just a little bit, then your design is gonna be going from the north to the south. Just for your information, so then you can assist your clients better. So then that way they won't like, wait a minute, it doesn't look like that when I first place in, but they didn't realize if they move their hand, It can change whole entire the look. All right, I just changed it. I just adjusting it because it's a little bit crooked. And sorry everyone, I'm just talking in the back here and changing, because if I put it in the camera, it's gonna go in like off from the directions I want to, so we don't want that. Great. Try not to. But really be careful. Yep. As long as it's go into under the lights for like at least 10 seconds to flash clear, you are safe and secure. It's really cool. Sorry everyone, we lost the videos, we couldn't post it. It's okay. We always have the backup on the footage, so then you can always be watching them. We try so hard, so then it's like, I think some difficulty, somehow we lost it. But like only 1 or 2 of them. We lost one last night, but it's okay. We have footage on it to save it for you, just in case. And then what we're having another nails in the white one. Can I see that one, please? Oh, and then the other one too. Really cool. I'm doing it like an ombre, and I put the chamfer foil on this, and here is a piece of the chamfer foil. I really wanted to do this one, so that's why. Thank you, Debbie. Oh, great. Okay. Look at this, everyone. How you can spin it. I do that all the time, like my nails like here, and I'm using this and spin this. It's so satisfying, you know? just in case. Sorry, I'm just a little bit goofy. Okay, so now we are gonna double secure all the edges, cracks, and gaps from between the crystal using our precision glue before we move to the next nails. Let's see, we're gonna check. It's a little bit, I feel the gap right there. I'm gonna just squeeze just a little bit in. Same thing with this. It feels so nice because I didn't want to put it too closer to the ring right here. The base really nice and secure right with the condensed glue gels and the white top coat. So it's not gonna go anywhere unless you're really using a crystal clipper, or you're gonna use an e-file to really fire the base off, or else it's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna be there. So, but you see that I didn't put it really close in here because it's a little bit different. That if I put it so close in this, your rings on the on centerpiece, it's not gonna spin because it might stuck into other piece of the crystal. So I place them just a little bit away from that diamond shields shape. So now I'm double secure it and using my tinter brush. Oh, you might kill my brush though. Do not leave your brush like no cap on and next to your LED lights. Is a dangerous. It's gonna really destroy our brush, which is I just did. I think, but I wipe. As long as you wipe up all the excess on your brush, it should save it as well. Okay, so I just give it a swipe and remove all the excess precision glue. So then that way when I cure, it doesn't look lumpy and bumpy, okay? So cure 60 seconds, as this nail's done, and I'm just using alcohol and wipe off the centerpiece because I did have a little wax residues when I pick it up earlier.